Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll show you exactly how to connect Framer to ConvertKit, step by step. First, log into your Zapier account. Click Create and select Zap. For your first trigger, search for ConvertKit and add it. Then add the second trigger by searching for Framer and selecting it as well. Next, it's time to link your accounts. Start with ConvertKit. Click Sign in the side panel. You'll need your secret API key, so open ConvertKit, click your profile icon, go to Settings, then Developer. Copy your secret API key, go back to Zapier, paste it, and continue. Do the same for Framer. Click Sign in and log into your Framer account. Once both accounts are connected, set up the options in the side panel for each trigger. After everything is configured, click Publish and you're done. You've successfully connected Framer to ConvertKit and automated your workflow. Thanks for watching.